You will never regret watching this. I-appeal gini sa inyong weekend bucket list kay di gid mo magmahay kung makaari mo kay ang setting niya mura kag naa sa Bali tungod sa iyang highland scenery. So this is the Arco Bamboo Villas located along the Trans Central Highway sa Sitio Inaad, Barangay Tabunan, part paghihapon sa Cebu City. Ang ilang mga bamboo accommodation is really tropical with a touch of elegance. Kaning big bamboo villa nag-inusara ra ni siya. Na siya 1 bedroom and living room sa taas ug sa ubos mao ang small kitchen, dining area, toilet and bath plus napagyud mini pool overlooking the entire place. It has opening panels to make the air flow and let you feel the wind as a natural fan. This one is 9,500 per night. Good for 6 person. Nindot dinhi kung family mo of 6 or bisan magbarkada, kay you have this villa all to yourself ug makarelax gid mo kay everything you want is already here. Kung couple mo or a group of 4 packs, napud sila gitawag nga kasitas available for you. Each casita has 2 queen-sized beds, fully air-conditioned, a mini refrigerator, toilet and bath, and still with own pool for you to freshen up. Napud sila'y hammock-like net para makarelax pud mo dinhi all day and night. Ang overnight stay dinhi is 5,500 per night, so basically tag 1,375 ra jud mo for a group of 4. Separate ug common ang dining area sa tanang kasitas nila ug bisan ng ilang kusina. But wait, tan-awa unsa siya kalimpyo, kabongga ug kanindot ang lugar. Everything imong gikinahanglan naa na dinhi. By the way, walay corkage so you can bring whatever food you like. Just remember to clean as you go. Ang pinakaganahan pud nako dinhi is this bonfire pit nga so big with built-in concrete seating arrangement nga naay foam aron komportable mo og dili magsakit ang inyong likod. Kani pa lang for me is already terrific. Napod mga bench sa ilang pathways making it so perfect to sit back and gaze at the stars, talk about life while looking at the lush greenery and whatnot. Basta para nako, this is an ideal getaway from the busy city life. This for me is already superb. So kung ganahan mo laid back staycation, consider booking your reservation here through their Instagram, Arco Bamboo Villas. Well na pa sila sa ilang soft opening. Mauday niyang hitsura sa gabi. So for questions, please message them directly, okay? Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please follow for more. Bye!